Hi guys! Oh my goodness. Is that a doorbell that I hear? Yes, guys, it's an unboxing today. Today we will be unboxing the iPhone 15. Please enjoy this unboxing. Guys, there's a lot out there about this new iPhone 15, so I'm going to give you two caveats that I thought that you would want to know. First of all, you have to go to the Apple Store to reset your phone. You can no longer reset your phone yourself or have your carrier reset your phone. That's extra security. Also, guys, make sure you remove Find My iPhone before you set your new phone up. Thanks, guys.